Hello, I'm Diana, one of the 3 CEOs of Cakes & Co. And I'm going to tell you about our strategy throughout the year so you can be a little bit more updated on what's been going on. But for the first 2 years, we had a low-cost strategy. And as we were on the volume segment, we can really focused on sustainability, but we focused on rights, on reduced inequalities, and those were our SDGs that we focused on. And we also gained more market by having a reliable delivery that was very, very fast. And we also started investing in expansion of our warehouse. So on the following years, we could have a better inventory. And the next strategy, the new strategy, was to focus on staff motivation and to invest in our people and their education. We also had a very better inventory management because of the expansion of the warehouse, and we also started applying a lot of sustainability policies, and that's where our mission statement really kicked in, which was that you don't have to spend a lot of money to have an ethical and sustainable shoe. So that was all about our new strategy.
Good afternoon, I'm Saule, the CEO, and I'll give a brief overview of Cakes & Co.'s recent performance. Now, in our early years, Cakes & Co. grew significantly, peaking in year 2 with almost 10 million euros revenue and 1 million in operating profit. However, we faced challenges in year 4 and 6 with operating losses of 400,000 euros and 2 million euros. Fortunately, by year 7, we recovered, achieving almost 15 million euros in revenue and 2.5 million in operating profit. Now, our profitability fluctuated, dropping to 150% in 2029, but we turned it around by 2031, reaching a 22% net profit margin. Cash flow also improved with a surplus of 3.2 million in 2031. Although market share dropped to almost 7% in 2029, competitive pricing helped us rebound to 31% by 2031. On the operational side, we shifted our supply chain strategies and focused on product innovation, which improved efficiency and reduced our costs. Now, in conclusion, I want to say that despite past challenges, we are now on a strong upward path. With strategic management and continued innovation, we are confident in sustaining this positive momentum. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. As you can see, we have been going through a lot over the few last years we've been through. And my name is Sofia, and I want to go through a few bullet points before we hand over our company and make sure that everything is good and everything is running as smoothly as possible. As you can see on the first slide I have here for you today, I want to talk about some of the lessons that we have learned, a few takeaways, if you might want to say so. So some of the biggest risks we have been taking this year, not this year exactly, but over the few years, has been increasing our prices. We definitely learned that increasing them slowly would definitely benefit us more, and you want to make sure that you're aware that it's not too high. You also want to make sure at that part of two, that we have our warehouse and a demand on the same level. We want to make sure that that is in sync, so we don't get too many demand, but we can't really deliver because we don't have them at stock. Also, one thing that is very important that we have learned too is that a loyal customer comes with a loyal staff. You want to make sure that we motivate people and invest in that. That has been some of the 3 key points we have been taking with us this year. If we go to the next slide, you will also see that something we have also been working on a lot has definitely been in reducing our prices. So recommendation 1, reduce the price, put it a little bit lower, invest heavily in our R&D department, make sure that we have lower cost per shoe, and also invest in new networking. We want to make sure that we have the best staff and the best management team going on about it, so we can all together rise and Cakes & Co. can, also expand. So for the last slide for you guys, I want to say thank you so much for just being a part of our company and listening in today. We hope that we can expand our company, make sure that we have loyal staff, loyal customer, and we just want to make sure that everything is running smoothly so we can be the biggest company ever. Cakes & Co. taking the step that matters.